Been best friend on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, what you need to do is just go to your chat section over here at the bottom, or you can just go for search. Then you can tap on any of your friend whomever you want to pin as best friend. So I'm going to go for this account over here. Tap on that and you'll be able to tap on their profile again. After tapping on the profile, what you can see is the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. So just tap on it and you can see this option of pin the person as your number one BFF. So just tap on it. Then tap on next. Then you will be able to pin your friend as a best friend on Snapchat. But since this subscribing option is not available in my region, so I'm gonna have to go back and just deal with normally. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. And that's it for today and see you next time.